In a world where fortunes are made and lost in seconds, which countries stand above the rest as the true titans of crypto and Forex trading? This is a realm unseen by most, a digital wilderness where billions of dollars flow like powerful unseen currents, shaping the destinies of individuals and entire economies. Here, in this new frontier of finance, the stakes are higher than ever before. It is a landscape of constant change, driven by innovation, regulation, and the raw primal instincts of human ambition. The question is not just where the most money is made, but where the very future of our financial world is being forged. Join me as we uncover the hidden kingdoms of trade. Our journey begins here, in the United States. At number 1, a land of immense scale and relentless ambition. This is the home of Wall Street. Wall Street, a name that has echoed through the halls of finance for more than a century. But across the continent, another power has risen. Silicon Valley, the cradle of digital revolution. Old money, new technology. The confluence of those forces birthed the American trading behemoth. Here, capital doesn't just exist. It seeks out innovation with a voracious appetite. The American trader is a unique species, forged in a culture that celebrates risk. Seasoned institutional players in Manhattan towers, lone wolf retail traders in suburban basements. A shared belief in the power of the individual to carve out a fortune. The regulatory environment, complex and ever-shifting, yet providing stability. That perceived safety attracts a constant influx of global capital. Established world of Forex, wild frontier of cryptocurrency. The sheer volume of activity is staggering. Every day, trillions of dollars are exchanged, a torrent of digital information. The United States, not just participant, but primary architect, sending ripples across the financial planet. We cross the Atlantic to an island nation with a financial history as deep as the ocean that surrounds it. The United Kingdom, with London at its heart, remains a global powerhouse in trading. For centuries, London has been a nexus of international commerce. This legacy has endowed it with extraordinary expertise, infrastructure, and influence that persists in the digital age. The city is a living monument to global finance, a time zone overlapping Asia and the Americas. This makes London the undisputed king of foreign exchange, the central clearinghouse for the world's currencies. Generations of knowledge create a talent pool of unparalleled depth. Tradition coexists with a drive to innovate. Institutions cautiously integrated digital assets into a regulated, structured world. A vast network and deep liquidity ensure London remains a critical hub in the global financial network. Our journey takes us to an archipelago where tradition and technology exist in symbiosis. Japan, a technological giant, leads Asia in Forex and crypto volumes. Here, trading is woven into the cultural fabric. The legendary Mrs. Watanabe represents a formidable retail force, a vast, decentralized network of disciplined household traders. Candlestick charts, born here in the 18th century, inform meticulous analysis today. Japanese traders often stay awake to capture London and New York opportunities. Japan's early recognition of digital assets brought legitimacy and security. A vibrant domestic scene with a knowledgeable population. South to a city-state that punches above its weight in global finance. Singapore is renowned for progressive regulation, clarity and stability. A trusted nexus drawing capital, talent and innovation from around the globe. Gleaming, futuristic, flawlessly organized. Success by design. Deliberate policy embracing fintech and blockchain. a top-3 FX center alongside London and New York with world-class infrastructure. A nexus where established institutions and disruptive startups build the future of finance, day by day. Nestled among the Alps, Switzerland, famed for secrecy and neutrality. A haven for crypto and Forex professionals. Security, discretion and stability adapted to digital assets. The safest vaults for gold now safeguard digital wealth. In Crypto Valley, a supportive regime attracted leading blockchain projects. In decentralized finance, trust and legal clarity are paramount. A titan of traditional FX with a vast wealth management industry. The Swiss franc, a refuge in uncertainty. Swiss traders prioritize capital preservation, the guardian role. North to Europe's economic engine, Germany. Engineering prowess and attention to detail inform sober, long-term finance. Not speculative frenzy, belief in progress and fundamentals. A nation of savers turning to markets as yields wane. Frankfurt, serious institutional power at Europe's core. Clear frameworks invite banks and exchanges to offer crypto services. Quiet, steady integration of old and new. Germany rising as an architect of Europe's financial future. To the vast island continent, Australia. A strong regulatory framework, safety and transparency as benchmarks. Competition drives innovation. Better platforms, lower costs, superior service, world-class tools in a secure environment. From beaches to remote sites, trading is widespread. A unique window across global sessions, a reliable gateway to global markets, and a model others study. A peninsula where digital life is the norm, South Korea. Barrier to digital finance is virtually non-existent. Trends spread with astonishing speed. The kimchi premium has revealed extraordinary local demand. Retail-driven, volatile, high-volume, bold and fast-moving. Major conglomerates invest heavily in blockchain applications. Intense retail interest with serious corporate backing. A dynamic case study. A digital dynamo where consumer-facing crypto innovations are forged at speed. A bridge to mainland China. Hong Kong. A meeting point between East and West, free market heritage and world-class finance. A premier financial centre with deep FX expertise and a HKD peg anchoring stability. Early crypto hub, now navigating shifting winds with enduring enterprise. Capital access and global links sustain its relevance. Resilience and adaptation define a city in transition. North America's quiet powerhouse, Canada. Sound banking, open markets and prudent innovation. Clear rules for Forex and crypto. World's first spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs launched in Toronto. Educated, diverse talent and strong R&D support. And balancing innovation with security, a safe harbour for capital. Quiet competence. Foundational projects, steady progress and reliable partnership in global finance. Our journey reveals a diverse ecosystem, multipolar and interconnected. Each nation brings distinct strengths, culture, technology and regulation intertwined. Change is the only constant. New powers rise as others fade. Which will rise to the top next year? To stay ahead, keep watching, keep learning, stay connected. Subscribe for more insights and updates. The next chapter is about to be written.